Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G video. This is the ultimate premium smartphone experience, starting at 41,999 rupees. Samsung divides perfection into 4 pillars: brilliant display, elite performance, pro-grade camera, and unstoppable battery. The device masters every category. Pillar 1 is the brilliant display. The phone features a massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with 1900 nits peak brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate for crystal clear details and smooth scrolling. Pillar 2 is elite performance. The device is powered by the Samsung Exynos 1480 processor, up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and the AMD Xclipse 530 GPU, supporting high-speed 5G networks. Pillar 3 is the pro-grade camera system. It features a 5-MP primary camera with OIS, an 8-MP ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixels macro camera, and a 12-megapixels front camera for perfect selfies. The intelligent camera software includes nightography for dark environments, object eraser to remove unwanted elements, and AI portraits to enhance subjects. The camera also records pristine 4K video. Pillar 4 is the unstoppable battery. The phone is powered by a massive 5,000 mAh battery for all-day usage. The 45W quick charging refills 60% capacity in just 30 minutes. The Galaxy A37 5G is engineered for real life, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back. The IP68 rating guarantees water and dust resistance. This is a future-proof investment. Samsung provides 6 years of OS and security updates, keeping the device secure and relevant until 2032. The A37 offers a perfect balance in the A series, with elite Exynos 1480 performance and supreme battery life. It offers compelling value compared to the A36 and A57. Choose your configuration. The 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model is 41,999 rupees. The 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage model is 47,499 rupees, and the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model is 52,999 rupees. The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G awaits you. Secure your device today and upgrade your mobile experience now. Step into the future.